Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick review on the new Maybelline Cheek Heats. These are pretty much like a liquid blush. I did get mine in the shade 10, which is Pink Scorch. They did have tons of shades, but this one just seemed so pretty. It's just like bubblegum type of pinky shade. I will say this one isn't super pigmented, so if you're like medium, like skin toned and up, I wouldn't recommend this shade. This is more meant for like the fair to light shades, but I will say the formula of this super nice, because I get kind of nervous when it comes to liquid blushes, because either they work really well or else they do that thing where they pull up your foundation, and I can't stand that. This didn't do that for me, and I've tried it with 3 different foundations. I've tried it with the Too Faced Peach Perfect. I tried it with the Maybelline Matte Mousse, which I'm trying now, and then I also tried it with my Makeup Revolution. I tried it with the Conceal and Hydrate one. I tried it with all 3 of them, and it did not lift it up. Obviously, I wouldn't try it on a powdered one. That might not work out so well. That might pull it up, but I'm not sure. I really like this. It was really easy. I just took it out, put some on my finger, and I just put like 2 or 3 dots on my cheek, and I used the e.l.f. small stipple brush, and I just kind of blended it out, and it looked really good. I had a natural, nice flush. It kind of looks like dewy, but it not sparkly, but just a natural like glow to it, and I really liked it. It is a little bit smaller than what I thought initially, but you don't need much, so I feel like it will last a while. But I do see a lot of people liking these. I will say it's not as pigmented as back in the day the e.l.f. Studio blushes. Those were really pigmented. It's not as pigmented as that, but I could see maybe some of the darker shades could be, but I didn't try those, so I don't know. But in comparison to me trying this like kind of light pinky shade, and I've tried before as a comparison, the e.l.f. kind of small Studio liquid blush, and that was like a light pinky shade. It's not as pigmented as that one, but it is, you could still see it. But I will recommend this one only on fair to light skin tones for this specific shade, and again, it's Pink Scorch. But all around, I like the formula. I like the way it looked on my skin. I thought it looked really pretty. It didn't mess up my foundations. It didn't do anything weird. It was there until I washed it off, so that's nice too, because with some cream products, like, they'll just be gone, and then you'll like have like a weirdness where it was, because like the foundation set different where this was, but like they'll just be like, you won't have the blush appearance, it'll just be gone. I don't know, it's weird, but this one didn't do that, so I like it, and I think I got this for like 4 and change. It was at Walmart, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna pick it up. I was kind of over there anyway when I bought the Maybelline Mousse foundation anyway, so I was like, let me see, because it was new. They had several different things over there, but I was like, you know what, this interested me. You guys know I love blush, but all around, I like this. I can definitely see myself using this all up and enjoying it while it's there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of these and how they work. Let me know what shades you got too, because I was thinking about getting the nude one. I think it was like Nude Burn or something like that. I was thinking of getting that because I feel like that'd be so pretty, just especially for fall. I feel like that'd be really pretty. Or peach. I was 50-50. But let me know your thoughts and how that worked for you, and maybe a different shade that you got, because I'm so interested. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.